In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Preload top website in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, we need to head over to Settings. And then we need to scroll all the way down until we find Safari. If we get into it, right over here, we can easily find Preload Top Heat. If we turn that option on, that will activate Preload Top Website tool in Safari. And then, whenever we search for something, using our default search engine, it will start preloading top website after that page is loaded. If you would like to turn off that feature, you can easily do so right from here. Just turn it off. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.